Can you see me now? Am I clear? Hello, world. Today, we're making a video. Brian and the kids caught a couple of catfish last night on the bank of poles. Channel cat, small ones, so we're gonna cook those nice and fresh. I'm using a recipe that has hoisin sauce, and we're actually just gonna bake it. It's very simple, and we're gonna serve it with some jasmine rice. First of all, you need to preheat your oven to 425. I chopped up some green onions. I've got the white scallions and then your greens here. I've got those divided. So we're going to use a little olive oil and do a little drizzle. I'm gonna start heating that. Your jasmine rice, you wanna make sure you rinse it off. You're gonna take your scallion whites and we're gonna put them in the oil and cook it for a couple minutes until they're fragrant.
The white part of a green onion.
I have 1 cup of rice, so I need 1.5 cups of water. A little bit of salt, and then 1.5 cups of water. Give that a stir, and I need it to come to a boil.
I always make sure to get like all the red meat that tastes fishy off of it. Then what I like to do with all my catfish now is when I'll soak it in the fridge with a bowl this size, and I'll put maybe 1/4 to 1/2 cup of vinegar in there with it, and it does something to the fish. It gives it like a white and pink look, and it makes it real firm. Vinegar is kind of like a preserving agent.
Okay, so I've got my baking sheet. I'm going to put the fresh catfish fillets on it. We're gonna season it with olive oil and salt and pepper, and then we're going to roast it at 425 for 10 to 12 minutes and see how it looks at that point. My rice is starting to boil, so I'm gonna give it one last stir and put the lid on. Turn it to low and let it simmer for 10-15 minutes.
All right, while we're waiting on this fish to cook, I've got a question for you guys. What do you think of the mustache?
It's disgusting.
Should it stay or should it go? This is my quarantine mustache, babe.
It's your Rona stash.
She doesn't get it, guys. Something fun to do.
The timer went off for 10 minutes, so we're gonna pull this out and check it. Maybe just a couple more minutes. We're gonna check the fish again. It's been a total of 12 minutes. I think it's probably good, and I can let it rest for a minute. My rice is done. It took about 12 minutes as well.
And we got just some regular old fried fish, how everybody does it here for the kiddos.
Going to Walmart today. They were out of a lot of things. We're just having canned green beans. To fry fresh green beans would have been good. I have some hoisin sauce. I think I'm saying it right. Oh, almost forgot. Better turn the oven to broil. High. The fish has been broiling on high for 4 or 5 minutes. We're gonna pull it out and see if it's flaky.
You're flaky.
Woo! Oh, that scared me.
Get some of those small pieces out. They're probably done. Yes, you should be able to pull it apart if it's done. So that's done.
Yep.
So let's get a plate and get the small pieces out of here.
Brian did not cut them evenly.
Since God didn't grow them evenly.
No, you should have cut them evenly.
That's right.
They're going back into the broiler. We did make some tartar sauce for the fried catfish.
I missed you making that.
So I just mix a couple of spoonfuls of Miracle Whip, not mayonnaise, Miracle Whip, with dill pickle relish. That'll be real good.
That's it? 2 things?
2 things. Like
yes, exactly. When it does that. That's delicious.
Okay, we're gonna little salt and pepper action for the rice. Slap some of that on the plate. Wedge of lime. And we're gonna sprinkle with some of the green onion. Dude, I'm hungry. Can I go eat it instead of looking at it?
What do you think?
Good.
It looks amazing.
I would say more hoisin sauce even, but I really like
I
it.
can't wait to eat it.
Put your camera down and eat it.